Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious high-protein pancakes. Starting your day with a protein-rich breakfast can help you feel full longer and support your energy levels throughout the morning. We will explore simple ingredient swaps and additions to transform your regular pancake recipe into a powerful, muscle-building meal. Get ready to enjoy a satisfying and nutritious breakfast that tastes amazing. Let's dive into the core ingredients that will supercharge your pancakes. Protein powder is your best friend here. A single scoop can add 20 to 25 grams of protein. Don't forget egg whites, which are pure protein and help with structure. For a creamy texture and even more protein, consider adding a quarter cup of plain Greek yogurt or blended cottage cheese to your batter. These simple additions make a huge difference. Adding protein can sometimes affect the texture, making pancakes a bit drier. To combat this, you might need to add an extra 1 or 2 tablespoons of milk or water to your batter until it reaches the perfect consistency. Don't forget about flavor. A dash of vanilla extract, a sprinkle of cinnamon, or even a pinch of salt can elevate the taste and make your high-protein pancakes truly irresistible. Balance is key for delicious results. Now for the fun part, toppings and variations. Boost your protein further with a generous dollop of Greek yogurt or a spoonful of cottage cheese. Fresh fruits like berries or sliced bananas add natural sweetness and essential nutrients. Feel free to get creative with your protein powder flavors or mix in some chopped nuts or seeds for extra crunch and healthy fats. Enjoy customizing your high-protein pancakes for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.